What's going on, YouTube? If you're trying to sell your home this year, you need to make sure that you're appealing to all the buyers. And the truth is, the biggest home buying generation of all time is coming up, Millennials. You need to know how to market to them. Social media. Let's face it, the entire internet usage is moving to this platform right here. Social media is a super important factor that most millennials are using to do research on the homes they're buying and anything else in their life. Make sure you find a realtor who knows how to use social media to get in front of the millennial home buyer. That's me. Respond quickly. Instant gratification is something we all want, but especially the upcoming generation. Since everybody's connected by a mobile device, if you get an inquiry on your property or your agent does, you want to make sure that they get an answer back as quickly as possible. If not, then moving on to the next thing. Be a resource. The truth is, most millennial home buyers are first-time home buyers, so you want to be a resource and a wealth of knowledge. People want to make sure that there are great reviews about the neighborhood you live in, the restaurants around, or even the realtor that you're using. Not only that, if you've got information on what's going through the process as far as home inspections and appraisals and everything else, that's the best thing that you can do to give yourself an advantage. The Aaron advantage. Photo quality. As I stated previously, everybody is using their mobile device to take a look at homes online. Make sure your pictures look as good as possible because they're going to be looking through them really quickly, and that's primarily the only thing they're checking out before they decide whether or not they want to look at your house. Sell DIY projects. Alright, here's one that a lot of people aren't thinking about, but we grew up with HGTV and YouTube, so the millennial generation is typically somewhat okay with some do-it-yourself projects. Don't focus on making sure every little single thing has to be completed, because not only are we interested in doing some projects on our own, but we're also mindful of making sure that we can improve the value of the property that we buy. Outdoor spaces. Huge houses are not the thing that most millennial buyers are looking for. The truth is, we love hanging out with friends and having great experiences. So if you've got an outdoor space that can be utilized for parties, highlight that space as much as possible, because that's something that's definitely going to appeal to a lot of millennial home buyers. Hey, thanks for checking out the Aaron Advantage. I got a couple different articles that I'll link to in the description box where I found some information for this video. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with everything I post.